Hi everyone, this is Brandon with SEO Organico, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your location using Google Chrome's DevTools, specifically the geolocation override tool, which actually just recently changed as of March 2019. So I wanted to give everybody a quick update on how to use the new tool, and this tool is really great for SEO to see local results in a city that you're not in, and it pretty much gives you the same results as if you were there. So let's get started. We're going to have to modify our setup and dev tools. So let's go up to the general settings, more tools, developer tools. From here, we have to enable our console drawer. We have to show it. And then it'll pop up down here. And then we have to go to these settings and then enable sensors. And then from here, you'll see your geolocation override settings pop up here. And the new change is this manage button here that will allow you to save coordinates. So we have to plug in coordinates. So I'm just going to use Los Angeles as an example. We have to go to manage and then add a location. So we have to name the location. So I'm just going to call it LA. And then now we got to get the coordinates. Don't forget to add the negative where it will send you somewhere else if you're using LA. And then just choose add. And then from here, we have to close out and then choose LA or whatever city you chose. And then now we have to search for something. So I'm going to search for pet stores. And it shouldn't show you the local results for the coordinates you set right away. You have to actually scroll down to the bottom of the results and then use precise location. And then you'll see it update here, and then you just gotta refresh the page. And then this should show you the local results now, and you'll see the map change. So that's all you really gotta do to change your location, and all these results should be the results you would see as if you were at those coordinates. That's it for this tutorial. Please subscribe. We're going to have more tutorials coming out pretty soon to help you with pretty much anything SEO related. Thank you.